funny because we rehearsed this at least 2 times, like yesterday and this morning, and there were no issues at all. And today, at the time of the start of this call, we instantly get an issue. This is amazing. Yeah.
Technology. Okay. Brief agenda for today. Most of the call will be related to Ambire Legends. We'll talk about what is it, what is the whole purpose behind the program. Um, we'll cover some of the latest extension updates, such as built-in cross-chain swap. We added DeFi positions and activity tab. And in the end, we will talk a bit more about the future, so what to expect in terms of extension, legends, and yeah, I think we can start. Ivan, how did the idea for legends start, and what is the whole purpose of this program?
Uh, yeah, absolutely. Well, as we talked before, we believe that what we're doing with Ambire is groundbreaking and is amazing, and we're one of the teams pioneering account abstraction. And the Ambire extension that has been in the works for so long time is not just the regular wallet extension, but probably the most advanced account abstraction wallet. That is in production right now. And we've thought for a long time that this is amazing. However, our audience, our target users, at some point they need education because there are so many amazing features with Ambire that you can experience for the first time in a wallet that we needed something like an onboarding process for new people working with the extension to teach them how to get the most of their wallet experience. And in its most early stage, Legends was an onboarding program. However, at some point we thought let's gamify it a little. Let's make it more interactive. Let's make it a race. And yeah, this is basically how it started, right?
Yep. So the whole idea of the extension and the Ember Legends is to showcase the power of smart accounts, so how they work, what you can experience with them in comparison to other wallets. So yeah, what can users expect? What is the reward apart from discovering account abstraction and smart account? What will be the reward for users participating, trying out accounts, playing with legends, and yeah, having fun?
Yeah. Well, the best thing about Ambire Legends is that once you start uh, using Ambire and connecting to the Legends app, there's no need to spend so much time in the Legends app because every action on chain of yours, every transaction, everything that you do with protocols and with your funds on the participating networks is accruing XP for you. And the character that you mint in the beginning is advancing up and leveling up. And however, yes, besides these experience points and the evolution of your character, because I think we haven't really revealed yet, but the characters, they don't stay the same every 10 levels. They change their appearance. They become more badass and badass. And yeah, but besides the end goal, of course, is wallet token rewards. The wallet token is the Ambire governance token. And 1 or 2 months ago, we ran a governance decision on which we asked the community on how much we should allocate for the Ambire browser extension incentives. And it was decided that we should allocate 195 million wallet tokens. So these are all allocated for extension incentives, meaning Legends rewards. In the beginning, we will start only with experience points. For now, you can only see how much experience points you're getting. You can see the leaderboard, but at some point, those will transfer into real wallet token rewards.
Okay, so users get rewarded regarding the governance vote and the hold allocation. So users get rewarded for using smart accounts. However, they can also gain XP from proving their skin in the game on chain uh, for connecting, linking their existing EOA wallets, which are wallets created in wallets such as MetaMask, Rabby, but also for V1 accounts, which are accounts created in Ambire Web Wallet and Mobile Wallet. Is that right?
Yeah, absolutely. And this is not to underestimate because, yes, only smart accounts will be actually getting the XP. However, the older MetaMask or Rabio or whatever EOA account you have on chain that you keep the keys, if you add it to Ambire and you link it to your Legends account, you can get really a lot of points all of a sudden because yeah, we want to incentivize people to come to Ambire with their existing accounts.
Okay. Um, Before we move to showing Legends live, uh,
Yep.
how can somebody get hands on the extension today? Extension is needed, so extension access is needed to play the Legends game. How can somebody get hands on the invite codes and the Legends dApp?
Yes, officially, the Ambire extension is still in beta, so it's still closed. You can find it easily on the Chrome store. You can download it. However, you will need an access code to open it. There are mainly two ways. One way is everyone who has already gotten an invite and can connect to the Legends app and create a character. They have 5 invitations each one. So if you know someone who is already on Ambire Legends, they can share an invite code with you. The second way is to look out on our socials, our community channels, where we will be dropping codes. Yeah.
Okay. And we have teased for quite a while all users that have been testing smart accounts, providing feedback, and using them from the testing phase, let's say from last five months approximately, will get a XP head start in the game. So when you open Legends app and you see the leaderboard, you will see that there are some diligent smart accounts who have already contributed a lot. Hence, they get an XP head start for the Legends.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
now
Yeah.
we can. How about demoing Legends?
All right. Let's try. I wanted to make it like super second organic and create an account specifically to demo Legends. So I haven't tested that with this account. We'll see how it works. Let's hope I did everything well for preparing the account. You can access Legends through legends.ambire.com, which
This
is
document is
a short.
so even I
Yeah, do
cannot
you see my
see.
screen?
No, there
You
is
don't. You don't. Let
showing
me.
something
Let me.
expand.
Let me try again. All right. How about now?
Yes,
All right. Okay.
I can see.
So uh, you access Legends through legends.ambire.com, which is the landing page of the Legends app, where you can see how you can play Ambire Legends. You can see why you should play it, and if you don't have an invite, you can see where you can find one. I will start by connecting my wallet. Let me switch to my brand new wallet. No, first, just in case, I will start with my existing account and I will connect it. And this is our character screen where we can see the progression of the character and our activity. Every activity on chain, as we said. brings you points in Legends. On the Legends tab, you can see all the activities that are counted. They look like quests. You can see on which networks how many XP you get for a specific action. And when you open the quest, you can see a detailed walkthrough and even a video on how you can complete this quest or this legend card. There's the leaderboard, on which you can see already the people who have tested smart accounts and are in the game already. And the guide is you're basically where you can find all the info about quests, about progression, about XP, about your character. You can find whenever you have any questions regarding Legends, you can go to your guide and easily find the answers. I suggest I switch now to my brand new wallet, and I will create a character. We can go through the characters.
Which is
I won't be sorry.
which is your favorite?
Let's see. Yeah, we have six main characters. All of them have like specific lore and specific backstory. Um, there is this slime degenerate who is slowly morphing into a slime pirate. There's the sorceress. There's the lair binder, which is inspired by, let's say, a necromancer in the traditional RPG world. Then there's the custodian or a penguin warrior. It's definitely my favorite one. My main account is with the penguin. Then we have the orc warrior. I love this character because it's the only character that starts as a baby and evolves, matures into grown being. Then there's the shapeshifter, who is actually maybe inspired by a real human being. Um, so these are the characters. I don't know. I've tested it with most of them. I'll probably go for the shapeshifter for the sake of this demo. Uh, it's important that right now, when you create a new Ambire Smart account, you start with $1 on your gas tank preloaded on us, so that you can instantly see the benefits of gas tank, and you can start playing Ambire Legends even if you haven't even topped up your account yet. More on that. Your first 4 transactions are free, right, Ash?
Yes, yes, that is right.
Yes, they're sponsored. So now we'll proceed by minting our Soulbound NFT character, and we can start the game. Right? And we are basically ready. So this is our newly minted character. Here we can see, first of all, I can see that my previous actions on chain, which are from earlier today, are have already accrued some. So I get my points retroactively. I actually expected to have much less points when I started the game, but I'm already in the game, and I see where I'm on the leaderboard. Um, and yes, we can go to Legends and try and pick some quests. The easiest one is the daily Wheel of Fortune quest, which is basically you spin the wheel by signing a transaction on base, and you get free experience points. However, let's just do it to show you what's actually behind that. We just sign a transaction on base, and we will spin the wheel. How much do you think I'll get from the spinning the wheel?
50.
50, all right. I think I'll have, uh, let's see. Hope we're both wrong, otherwise people will say it's set up. Okay, yeah, it's not set up. So yeah, we want 20 XP, but it's actually always more. Yeah, I progressed the level up, by the way. Then when we go to character and we see our activity, you see that we got 20 experience points from spinning the wheel. However, we also, because it was on base, we built it through 4237. So 4237 transactions are awarded additional experience points. Ordinary transactions, just having a transaction on chain. Yes, every transaction is on chain, but yeah, just signing a transaction brings you experience points as well. And also we used gas tank, Ambire's gas tank. I can go more into detail and show you the screen, but anyway, we paid for this transaction using our gas tank, for which we get additional experience points. So we got a total of 39 points for this action.
Think
There,
ab- about
yep,
the gas tank. If there are some users who are completely new to Ambire, what exactly is gas tank and how one can use it for utility purpose?
yeah, amazing. Well, gas tank is a feature which is designed to make your life much easier when dealing with network fees. Basically, it's a chain abstracted gas top-up feature. You can prepay, you can load your gas tank with funds on any network, and those funds can be used to pay your network fees on any other participating network. So, for example, if you start on base and you have and you don't have Ethereum on base to pay for your network fees, but you have funds on, say, Ethereum or Optimism on any other network, you can top up your gas tank, or if you have already topped up your gas tank, you can use your gas tank to pay network fees on this new network that you're using. So the gas tank is one of the, for me, killer features of that account abstraction makes available for users. And yes, by using it with Ambire, you get experience points. Not only that, something unique about our gas tank is that when you use our gas tank, you always receive cash back on your transaction, which is the difference between the estimated network fee and the one that you actually paid. The rest you get as a cash back in your gas tank. So I can, by the way, demo how you can basically when you start using Ambire Smart accounts, and once you top up your gas tank, it is naturally picked for signing any transaction with your wallet. So for any transaction, any normal activity that you have on chain, you will most surely be using the gas tank to pay your network fees. So you'll be getting points for that. You can, by the way, top up your gas tank for at least $10, for which you will get additional experience points on Legends. I think this is the most interesting thing about gas tank.
You get the $1 gas tank top up when you create a newly created
Yeah,
smart account, which doesn't
yeah.
sound like wow a lot, but considering the transaction fees, gas fees on layer twos, it's just enough to understand the power of the gas tank.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's enough to let you start playing Legends because you can mint a character with these funds.
Yep. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Um, maybe we should look at. We mentioned that one of the latest additions to the extension was also built-in swap. What is special about the Embire's built-in cross-chain swap? How is it different to built-in swaps in other wallets?
Uh, I haven't used built-in swaps in other wallets for a long time, but we've been testing a lot ours, and of course we like it a lot. It's a cross-chain swap, first of all, so you can not only swap tokens on the network you are, but you can uh, bridge tokens between networks. Um, Perhaps we should demo it. Shall I demo it with Legends, or shall we just do like a random swap or bridge?
We
What do
can
you
do a run.
prefer?
We'll get
Let's
XP.
try. Yeah, exactly. Let's try. And I will start with something simple. I'll probably take my and make it more complicated. All right, let's try with something simpler. I'll get some USDC on base and I'll try to bridge it. By the way, this is my old bridge, and I'll try to bridge like $5 from base USDC to let's say 5 USDC on Arbitrum. Um, our All right, we found, yeah, of course, the bridge finds the best route for you, but you can pick another route. There's a lot of options. You can prioritize speed or lower fees. Usually, you can see how, the estimated cost and estimated duration for any of the routes. Usually, for simple cross-chain swaps, we will recommend trusting the pre-selected route for you. It's usually the best one. And yeah, we'll first grant, yeah, well, here we can see another nice demo of smart accounts. We can see how in one action we will first grant approval for socket to use our USDC, and then do the bridging transaction. So we'll combine two transactions. We'll batch two transactions, and this is the gas tank. We can use USDC on base, which is supported network fee token in Ambire. However, we can also use the gas tank. We can even use an EOA wallet of ours that we have in Ambire to pay the network fee for this smart account. However, we will use the gas tank because I want to get maximum points in Legends. So now we'll get points for the swap, for transaction, for using gas tank. Maybe I forget something. We'll see. This is something that I simply can't get enough of. Our transaction progress screen. I love it.
So it
So
humanizes whole transaction in a very simple point.
it
Um,
humanizes. You don't have to go to Basecamp or Etherscan or whatever. You just see it the moment you sign your transaction. You see in real time what is happening with it. All right, and this was too easy actually. We just completed the route. We should be able to see. Yep, we have the USDC on Arbitrum, and when we go to Legends, excuse me, we can see on our character, we can see that we got, yes, this is what I missed. This was also on 4237 transactions, so we got 5 XP for it. We got 3 XP for batch transactions,
what is a
and
batch?
one for gas tank. Batch transaction is that we just talked about, combining two transactions in and signing them together.
Can you also batch
We
like multiple swaps, multiple sends, multiple transactions on network?
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. You can batch as many as you could possibly think of. Um, yes, this time we only batched one approval and one swap, but you can also then use uh, sorry, you can even add transfers and yeah.
Cool, cool. And recently, we also added DeFi positions, which are available directly in the extension's UI, and an activity tab, which where you can monitor your activities either across all EVM chains, or you can filter activity to a particular chain and observe what you have done. Um, okay, think we can move to some of the future plans. What is the plan for next extension updates? There has been a governance vote that decided to consolidate gas tank balances into a single token, which is USDC. So what is the next update regarding that, and when exactly can we expect this update to be live in the extension?
Um, so we're working on it. Yes, the community decided that we should consolidate the gas tank balance in USDC. Uh, yeah, options were USDC, other stable, or Ethereum. However, looks like people would like to see it denominated in dollars because it's perhaps more easy to comprehend how much you actually have in your gas tank. I think that we're already working on it and it will be live implemented soon.
Awesome. So yeah, the whole all balances that were previously fragmented in the gas tank. So for example, you could have
Yep.
10 USDT, 10 USDC, $10 worth of Ethereum. Um, so the balances were fragmented, and you needed to pick one token to cover the gas fee. And once the upgrade will be live, all those balances will be consolidated into one, and you will pay gas from a single point, which is a super cool UX improvement on the gas
Mm,
on the gas pain point.
absolutely.
Um,
Yep.
what are what are some of the plans regarding Legends? We know that Legends launched like an hour ago or something, but what can we expect in terms of Legends development, fun, Legends?
First of all, we have some more quests in mind that we will probably be adding in the weeks to come. We started Legends this first, so to say, season of Legends. We are starting, so to say, in safe mode with limited type of quests and without partners. But in the future, we want to add some of uh, apps and projects that we partner with and include quests from them. Actions with Ambire on other DeFi protocols or something like that. That can bring you experience points as well. We are in talks with such teams, and we'll be probably be adding such quests soon.
Cool. And this is also the call for everybody listening. If somebody has some cool quests in mind, please share all the feedback in Discord, Telegram, or on X. We will also provide some media files and so on for showcasing your NFT characters and legend stuff on social medias. Um, so yeah, I think this concludes today's community call. Legends is live. Grab it, get extension invite code, test it out, get hands on smart accounts, and let us know what you think. Last words, Ivan?
Yep. Yeah, you can if you feel as hyped as us about Legends, you can uh, as you see, we're putting next to our names the crossed swords and the purple hearts emoji, which is like the Legends code. You can add it to your usernames, and yeah, we'll probably also share the Legends characters as PFP for sharing. Everyone can put it if you like
Cool.
it.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Um, okay. Thank you everybody for joining and see you in the chats. Have a great day and have an amazing end of the December. Enjoy.
yeah, and let's go back to grinding. Bye.
Yep. Bye.